Hey everybody, today I'm going to do a quick install of the Devol radiator guards on my DRZ400, so let's jump right in. Okay, first thing that we're going to do is we're going to remove the 3 bolts that hold on the radiator shroud to expose that, and then we'll pull off the stock radiator guards. We've got the stock radiator exposed, and we're going to take off this plastic guard. This is super easy. Just get yourself a flat blade screwdriver, put it in between the radiator aluminum and the plastic, and just carefully pop it out like that. We're going to do it for the bottom as well. And then you're just going to pull this out of the way. Next up, we're going to remove the 2 stock bolts that hold the radiator on, because those are going to mount it to the inside. These are 10 millimeter. Okay. All right, so this is the one that is going to go on the, right side here. So these tabs just go right through here. So mounting this, put the factory bolts in there. You can see them, there you go, at the bottom there. And then you're going to need a long extension to get in there so that we can get these started. This is going to be kind of a pain probably to get started. Maybe not. Oh, yeah, as that bottom one falls out. And then the top one falls out. That's perfect. Okay, so this proved to be trickier than I thought it would be, but get the bottom mount in there first, and then I think what it's going to allow me to do is pivot the radiator guard forward so I can feed the top bolt in there and get it in there as well. I'm just going to do this and get it connected to my socket. Looks like there's just enough room. There we go. I'm going to move it around just a little bit, make sure that we're lined up, because it doesn't have many threads that go in there. Feels like we're started in there. Got the bolts tightened up inside there, and then what I did is I just kind of put my thumbs on the radiator and my fingers on the guard, and then I just kind of squished it together to get enough room here for the spacer that comes in the kit. Now this spacer is going to go right here, and then it also comes with a longer 8 millimeter bolt to attach that lower shroud. So let's get that all buttoned back up. I've started with the bottom bolt that they send with it on the lower shroud mount. So I've got the bolt through there. This is the spacer that comes in the kit. And that bolt comes in the kit. And then we're just going to real carefully start it by hand. And now we're going to go up to the next mount. Again. And we're just going to go through and snug them all up. And it actually looks like it fits really nicely. And it's pretty beefy. I mean, it's aluminum, like if you crash hard, I could certainly see damaging it, but with the way that these are welded on the corners, there's quite a bit of strength there. So I'm getting this bike ready to do the Colorado BDR here in about 2 months. So this is just one of the items that I'm adding. Actually, I've pretty much got the bike decked out. This is like the last thing that I wanted to do, and that is really, really nice in there. So we're just gonna jump over and do the other side. It should be just as simple, but that's it, the Devol radiator guards on a DRZ400S. If this video helped you at all, helped give some guidance, please go ahead and like it. And if you'd like to see more videos coming down the line, some of it will be of the Colorado BDR trip, give my channel a follow. Thank you.